welcome to Dental Assisting 101 again. This is really simple. It may seem simple, but it's not simple to a whole lot of people. For instance, this is a actual gun that we use to place material in, okay, when we're dispensing material, heavy body, light body. Okay, so for instance, this is the gun, right? Now this is protruded out, which means it's definitely not ready for this to go in. So what we do is we push this button up, okay, and we pull it out. See that? Pull it out, push it in. This button is up, pull it out. Now the actual material can fit in there. So we're gonna load it. This is how you load it. This is a gun. This is how you load it. See the notches here? The notches is gonna fit into this part of the actual gun. Okay? So here we go. We're gonna turn it in position. Snap it in. We're gonna close this. All right, just ignore this part because I broke the gun the other day. We're gonna close this, all right? And push this in. What it does, it tightens it. Push. So it stopped, right? That means we have a lot of material left. All right, so let's place a tip on it. This is an actual tip. We call it a blue tip. It comes in a pack of 20, 30, 40, okay? This is used to dispense the actual material. All right, so here we go. This is actually how you dispense the material. You're gonna press it here, and you're gonna see it flowing. You see it is green? There we go. That's how you dispense the material. You release your hand, and it stops it. That is how you load a gun, material gun, and actually put the material in it, okay? And dispense. All righty, so this is great. All right, that's the end of that Dental Assisting 101 on actually loading a gun to place material when you are doing a crown prep, okay?